So Monad just went live, as you can see right here, and this is a big deal. Monad is a massive and highly anticipated project. The mainnet just launched 1 hour ago, currently sitting at $2.6 billion fully diluted value. This will probably go up. Now, what is the first thing people do when a new blockchain launches? It is to launch and trade meme coins, and these meme coins are getting some serious traction. For example, this one ran to 1 million plus in like 10 minutes. We haven't seen that on Solana in a long time. This is another one with a lot of momentum right now at 500k. And this is like just getting started. Like actual meme coins just started launching like 20 minutes ago on Monad. So it's still super early, but you want to get in as early as possible to catch a lot of the early opportunities and get in before the masses. But I'm expecting that the hype and momentum of Monad meme coins will continue for at least like a week or so. So we definitely have some time to jump into the Monad trenches and make a lot of money. But since this is a new blockchain, there are a few things you need to do to get set up and get started. You need to know what platforms to trade on. You need to know how to actually get Monad onto the Monad network. So I thought I would just share with you guys exactly how to get set up and started with Monad meme coin trading. And the first thing you will want to do is add the Monad network to your MetaMask. So we'll leave this website down below. This is the Monad document. So you can either add it manually to MetaMask. So if you head into MetaMask and you click on add custom network, you will just have to copy paste these details into here. But the easier way to do it is just to click on add Monad Mainnet to wallet. It will connect to your MetaMask and add it automatically. Once that is done, you will need some Monad tokens on the Monad chain because that's what you will be using to trade meme coins. So if you just head on to the Monad website, it will bring you here and you will have a few different options for bridges. I personally just used the portal bridge. This is what it looks like. I essentially just did Ethereum USDC, bridge that into Monad USDC. For example, 50 USDC on Ethereum gets you 50 USDC on Monad. Just connect your wallets, click on bridge, and you will get those tokens on the Monad chain. Then you have the swap options. So these are the Monad dexes. You can use any of these. I personally used PancakeSwap. So once I had my USDC on Monad, I just swapped from USDC to Monad tokens. Now, because this chain just launched and it has so much attention and demand and volume right now, it is a bit buggy for me, but hopefully by the time this video goes live tomorrow, this will all be fixed. So right now my tokens are still loading. It won't actually show it, still connecting to the Monad Mainnet. And there are also some issues trading meme coins, but I'm assuming that will get fixed really soon. But once you've got Monad tokens on the Monad network, you will want to get set up with a trading bot. So right now there are two main trading bots that actually support Monad. The first one is GmGn. You might be familiar with it. This is a web app similar to other meme coin trading bots. So you have the trenches, you have newly launched tokens, you have tokens about to migrate or bond, then you have migrated tokens on the right hand side. You can click onto the tokens, you will have the chart, you have an instant trade panel right here. Then you can trade on the right hand side, you have some token information, you have all the trades, you have all the holders, etc. And then you have your portfolio right here. But the other trading bot option is Bloom. Bloom is also a big trading bot, both on EVM and on Solana. And they also have support for Monad right away, as you can see right here. And if you head on to the Bloom website, they actually have a Chrome extension. So you can go to the Chrome store, go on EVM extension and download this. That way, this trading extension panel will show up on top of any Monad charts. So it basically acts as any other instant trade panel, but the order gets executed on the Bloom Telegram bot instead of GmGn, and Telegram bots like Bloom are often a lot faster than the web apps, so this is another great option. Whichever one you want to use, I will leave the links to both of them down below, and you can get 10% less fees on both of these trading bots when you use that link. But on GmGn, once you sign up, just make sure you swap the network right here to Monad, and then you will obviously have your Monad tokens in MetaMask. So just copy your address on GmGn and just send some Monad from your MetaMask onto GmGn, and you are good to go to start trading. The same goes for Bloom. You have your EVM wallet right here, so you can just copy that and then deposit some Monad tokens, which I've already done, as you can see right here, just to basically test it out. Now, another thing you will want to know about is nad.fun. This is the pump fund equivalent on the Monad network. So this this is where meme coins will get launched from, or where you can launch your own meme coins on the Monad network. You can see right here, like most of these tokens are getting launched from nad.fun. And as you can see, there is a lot of potential for Monad meme coins right now. For example, this one is looking really good at 130k market cap so far. This is rare to find on Solana these days, so you kind of need to adapt and move on to new chains that have all the eyes and all the hype and volume to basically make as much money as possible for yourself in the trenches. But that's basically everything you need to know to get started trading meme coins on the Monad network. Again, make sure you sign up to GmGn or Bloom, whichever one you prefer, with the link down below to get less fees. If you have any questions at all, you can ask me in the comment section or join my Telegram down below and ask me in there. Also make sure to follow me over on Twitter. And if you are looking for the best non-KYC crypto exchange out there, make sure to also check out BTCC. This is my go-to exchange when it comes to trading, and you can get a 10% bonus on your first time deposit when you sign up with the link down below. So if you deposit $1,000, you get a free $100, no questions asked. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found any value in this video. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.